my best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple.
Hello guys.
Hi,
It's Katu.
and Gigi.
So we back with a new video. It's gonna be a
Smash or pass.
yes, the Haitian artists. Hope you guys like this video. Give a
Like, comment, share,
subscribe
subscribe,
for more videos.
commenter,
Oh, comment,
partager, abonner. Who t'a dit abonner? Abonner. Qu'est-ce que j'ai dit like?
J'aime, partager, tout bas ça.
Emily, yeah.
It's j'aime.
I don't know.
Let's get to this video.
Let's get to this video, guys.
First, we have Flavor. We just smash or pass Flav from Gabel. I will smash him.
I'll smash.
You will smash?
Yes, he's fine.
I almost choked myself.
What you mean?
I almost choked. Yeah, I will
Est-ce que c'est
smash.
pas vrai? Flav pas belle vrai? He's cute.
Yeah, he cute. I will smash him.
Yeah, et puis voice lui encore. Oh my gosh.
Shady gonna. Let's go back. Next.
Next.
So we have Trouble Boy.
Trouble Boy.
Hitmaker.
Trouble Boy.
Would you smash him or pass him? I think I'll probably
I'll probably smash.
I don't know. It's like it's
But he's kind of like rude.
yeah.
So that make me think. Would I smash or pass? But he's cute.
Yeah, he cute.
No lie. He's
Man, I pay him buyo. He cute.
he's cute,
Yeah.
but like
I think I would smash
he's
him.
rude. But I'll smash him. Yeah.
Next, we have ATIS Sponge. Is it ATIS Sponge? Yeah, ATIS Sponge.
Would you smash him
Or pass him.
or pass him?
Pass.
Why?
Don't tell me why.
No, because I will pass too. But I can say why.
Why?
I don't like his face shape. Like, look at his head. It's like.
Take me off. I'm just playing.
You're funny.
But
No,
he's
it's
funny. He's funny.
he's funny. He's
Yeah.
funny. For funny, his of his face, like the shape of his head. It's like.
Tepilon. Next, we have these people. They be doing. I think they did a rap. Is it a song?
Where they at?
It's like the thing. Like they did a song on. Man, I forgot. No, I forgot. It's like Ballin' and Bougie. And Ballin' and Bougie. Don't you ever listen to that song?
No, I don't think so.
They did a remix.
Oh,
Ballin'
remix, no,
Bougie.
like Bad and Bougie. I think
Yeah.
I listened to that song,
Ballin'.
but like I don't really know who did them. Would you smash them?
I will not smash none of them.
Me too. None of them.
None of them. Is it Fresh? Except Fresh, I think that's his name. I will not smash him or the other one. I will not
No.
smash none of them.
I'm sorry.
They not my type.
Not my type. Yeah, not my type.
But I like their music though. They can rap. I mean, they did
Would
something.
you smash? Back. Key.
Popular.
Hey. Would you smash him?
Yes, I would.
I would, like.
That
Look at that smile. Look at it.
smile. He got that smile. He cute though.
He is cute and like his songs are like
So cute.
yeah. So we will smash him. It's kind of like you will smash everybody. I will smash.
I mean, not everybody. I mean, some
No, like the people that we just showed, like the ones that we said we're not gonna smash. I said I'm not gonna smash.
Okay,
said you're not
you
gonna
know what we're
smash
supposed to do is, I mean, inbox us some pictures, like some new artists, I don't know, like some artists like that we can pass them, because most of the people we know is like they cute, it's like they're not bad.
Yeah.
So go to our social media, go follow us, add us, and text us some pictures, I mean, or name people, like some name.
Okay.
Next we have Pascal, the one who did the video My Lad, my baby's I'm gay. Why would you looking at me like
That's
that?
him?
Yes. No, he did a remix. Is it remix?
He did the remix.
Yeah.
D'abord tout ça, c'est
A
Richard.
remix. Yeah, I know. He cute. That
He's cute.
Smash.
That definitely a smash. Definitely.
A smash.
Okay. Smash. J.
Play. Nah, yeah.
Would you smash or pass J Bits?
I don't think I will smash him. He can sing. I mean, he cute. He not bad.
I wouldn't smash him too. He's cute. His voice is killing people. But it's kind of like, I kind of see it as like too old. Not long. Oh my gosh, for me. You're funny.
Yeah. So we have
Wendy.
I think I will smash him.
I will smash him. I'm sorry to Taina, but I will smash him.
Who Taina?
Taina, my best friend. That's her friend. That's her crush.
Oh.
She love Wendy. Yeah.
Then
But I will smash him.
I guess we're gonna fight. Next we have
Richie.
Richie.
Would
I
you
think
smash
pass.
or pass Richie?
Pass.
I'll pass. And don't ask me why.
Me too. Pass.
I'll pass.
Next we have
Wyclef Jean.
Is it Wyclef?
Wyclef Jean.
I thought he said Wyclef. Is it?
Wyclef Jean, I'm going. Yes, I'm going.
I don't know.
I'm going Wyclef Jean. Would you smash or pass him?
I don't know. What you think?
I will pass.
Yeah, probably best.
I'll pass.
But he lit though.
Would you pass or smash or pass below?
Pass.
I will pass. He's too skinny.
It's not that skinny, but it's like, I don't know.
He's too skinny for me.
I don't know.
Yanni?
Would you smash or pass Yanni Matilde? I think I will smash
I will
him.
smash. I will.
Next, we have Alize. I think that's his name. Alize. I think I will. I think I will pass him. He can sing.
This is cute.
Yeah, he's cute.
I think I'll smash.
Smash. Pass for me.
Would you smash or pass Gazman Kule?
Pass.
Pass. Pass.
Would you pass or smash Joe Matilde? Smash.
I will smash. Definitely smash.
Would you smash
Or pass.
Cadillac?
Cadillac. Pass. Pass.
Next is
Would you smash or pass Risha?
my lad.
Pas Gary.
Let me see you.
I will smash. Y'all see that eyes? I will smash.
Yeah, he got a beautiful eyes. Yeah, I will smash him.
J'ai shot. I will smash.
Chicago. I'm just playing. Yeah, Chicago. Would you smash or pass?
Smash or pass Raymond.
Pass.
I will smash.
Pass.
I will smash.
Yeah.
Would you smash or pass Mark D?
Smash.
That's a definitely smash.
I thought you was about to say pass.
Really? Pass on that? No.
What's wrong with that?
Nope. I will smash.
Smash.
Yeah, guys, that's all we got for now. We can do another one, but with other people, just like, because we couldn't find more people, like, because you know you have to know their name. We couldn't find more people, so go on or yes, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment
for more videos. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like for more videos. So if you want us to do a part 2, make sure you guys give us like, is it 100?
No, we can't. It can be 100. It can be 200 too.
50? 50?
50
likes.
50 likes?
Yeah, for a part 2.
Yeah, 50 likes can be good.
Give us 50 likes and we're gonna do a part 2 in this video. Smash or pass.
Just 50, guys. We can go to
higher than 200. That's sad.
Huh?
That's sad.
Why?
Because we can go higher than 100.
We're just starting. Like,
I know. Make sure you keep subscribing, like, share with your friends.
Keep liking, guys. Keep subscribing, and you'll see we will go further and further and further and further.
Amen, sister. Bye.
We have to do a shout out to some people, cause
shout out to you, Berkey
Thomas.
Shout out to you.
He really pushing us, like.
Livre vraiment aider nous.
Yeah, livre vraiment aider nous. Bercy
Thomas.
Shout
out to you. Merci.
Yeah, shout out to you. Merci parce que vous poussez nous en pile. Wap fè moun al gade nous. Merci en pile. Like, nous pa kon ki chan pou nou ta dou merci.
Thank you. Bye.